What's going on, you guys? Thank you for watching another video. Today we have another install for you guys. As you guys may know, our previous install was our GTS taillights, which look amazing. Wait for it. Like, look at that. That looks so good.
Like, I literally can't get enough of these.
But today we have side skirts, and I'm very excited because I feel like this car has been needing it. We have diffuser and front lip,
but no side skirts. And I can't wait to see it because I feel like it's gonna complete the look.
But enough yapping. Let's get straight into it.
Oh my god, guys, these things look amazing and they feel like such great quality too. Wow, I cannot wait to see them on.
In case you guys are wondering what style these are the PSM styles, and if you're thinking about getting them or you want to know where I got mine, these are from Sencal Motorsports, which I definitely recommend because they were well packaged and they're great quality. Oh my god, dude, this guy looks so sick.
Obviously without the box, but the idea, oh my god, it looks so good. I cannot wait. Okay, we're gonna start by cleaning our surface area so the 3M sticks really good. So I'm gonna do that real quick. Guys, we have the 3M tape set on the side skirts. One thing to note is the provided 3M tape was not enough. I don't know if it's maybe because I'm not supposed to use this much, but just keep it in mind, I used some of mine.
So we have everything ready. As you guys can see, I'm just waiting for Manny because I've been trying to fit it by myself and it's not the easiest while getting it to stick the right way. So we're just waiting on him and then we should be able to tackle that easily. Show you guys. So I'm right in the middle. I'm gonna do this one-handed, which is even harder, but so that side fits good, but then, you know, and then let me see if I can do it with my foot. So bring that side to the right space, but then this side gets a little lower, so it's just hard to do it by yourself. If you get one more person, you should be able to get it easily.
Okay, so we have this side already on. This is only with 3M tape. I still have to drill it, but what do you guys think? I think it looks so good. I cannot wait to drop the car and see what it looks like. Let me get you guys this angle as well. Cannot wait, but we gotta hurry because once again, the night is catching on to us, so we gotta get this rolling.
So you ready? I got the first one in. I'm whoa.
Yeah, I'm ready.
I'm holding it while Manny does the big boy stuff. Oh, do you want me to hold this way? Oh, okay, my fault, my fault, couch. Guys, we have it on. Manny,
Wow, that looks fire.
look at this.
Dang, son. This thing looks so good. Get you guys a closer angle. Like, wow. Dude, and the fitment is just so good. Like, end to end, just amazing. I cannot wait to air this out, but before we do that, obviously me and Manny are gonna go and do the other side.
Not too much though, not too much though.
Not too much,
Be
guys.
gentle, you have to be gentle.
Be nice. Last screw.
Make sure it goes in straight.
Come on, Manny. You can do this, bro.
Oh my god, it's straight. Just like me, bro. I mean, you can kind of know when it's good, like by this.
Yeah, by the width of this.
Like if you don't see it moving no more, then just leave it.
All right. Yo, this actually looks so sick. The floor is kind of unbalanced, so it wasn't able to go all the way, but bro, what?
It's the next day. I am loving the way these things look on the car. I don't know why it took me so long to get these, but shout out St. Kyle Motorsports. If you guys want to get these exact ones, I got it from them, and the quality is amazing, and the fitment is perfect. But right now, let's air out the car to see how it looks, and we'll get you guys some cinematic.
Wow, I love the way it looks. The car just looks so much more completed with the side skirts here, and like it also looks a little bit lower, so looks nice. The car was definitely missing this touch. It looks perfect.
I feel like between the side skirts and the taillights, the outside look might be fully completed, but if you guys think I'm missing something, let me know in the comments. But we've come to the end of the video. If you guys enjoyed, make sure you smash that like button. Also subscribe so you guys don't miss out on the build, and watch this video that YouTube's recommending. Peace out.